those visuals to attack the government, question the arrangements made. Akhilesh has also questioned the management. Akhilesh has also said that there is no arrangements which have been made. They are saying that people have been imprisoned in vehicles for hours, even claiming, Akhilesh has made some big claims saying that some people have fainted, in their vehicles itself. Again, how much proof Akhilesh will be providing for these big claims, we'll have to wait and watch. But yes, there is a huge crowd of devotees which has triggered a massive jam, and that is one of the biggest jams ever seen. The severe traffic congestion is at the heart of the controversy. We have that post by Akhilesh Yadav as well. This is what Akhilesh Yadav had to say. A very, very similar statement, just like the Congress party. Adeep is continuing to be live with us. Adeep, take us through Akhilesh Yadav's attack.
Well, Meenakshi, see, Akhilesh Yadav, he has been posting multiple posts on his social media account, and along with that, he's also posting videos and photos of the traffic jam along the Prayagraj border. There's a surge in the number of devotees, more than close to 50 lakh devotees. They have taken the holy dip just today, and if you talk about the actual numbers given by the government claims that around 43.50 crore devotees, they have taken the holy dip in Prayagraj, in Mahakumbh. And Akhilesh Yadav, on the other hand, he is continuously claiming that there are not adequate arrangements for the people, for the devotees coming to Mahakumbh, and people have been stuck on road for many hours. In fact, they have no food, they don't have cell phone coverage as their batteries have drained out. They have nowhere to charge their phones. These are the allegations leveled by Akhilesh Yadav. And indeed, it's a fact that people, those who are visiting to Mahakumbh, there's a long traffic jam on the roads of Prayagraj, all the roads leading towards Prayagraj, whether it be from Lucknow or from any other district. There's a massive traffic surge near the Prayagraj, as many of the devotees, they are now planning their visit after almost all the Amrit Snan have got over. So now all the other devotees, they are planning their trip to Mahakumbh, and there's a traffic surge inside the Prayagraj and around the borders. But the opposition parties, whether it be Akhilesh Yadav or Congress party, these both parties, they have been making claims against the Kumbh, raising questions on the arrangements by the state government. On the other hand, we have the state government who is saying that we have done adequate arrangements for the Mahakumbh, for the devotees coming to the Mahakumbh, for the VIPs coming to the Mahakumbh, and we are ensuring that no one has to suffer. And in fact, when yesterday there was a massive traffic jam on the Prayagraj borders, senior officials of Prayagraj police and the traffic police, they were trying to manage the crowd. And in fact, Akhilesh Yadav also posted a video of the
Adeep, what's the ground situation like what is the ground situation like at the moment, Adeep? First of all, tell us that quickly, please.
Well, actually, see, if we talk about the ground situation, there's indeed a traffic jam around the borders of Prayagraj. All the devotees, as I said, they are now moving towards Prayagraj to take the holy dip. So there's a long queue of traffic jams on the road, especially on the borders of Prayagraj. People have been stuck over there for hours. But the district administration and the police administration, they are trying to manage that.
So basically, at the moment, cops are clearing traffic at the borders, but it is this traffic which has led to a massive slugfest, and this is happening in the backdrop of the Prime Minister, the President, apologies, viewers, who's going to take the holy dip in a very short while from now on. Pratibha is going to give us a sense of the politics and obviously what's happening at the borders, the type of traffic jam which we are seeing. Pratibha, over to you.
Right, so Akhilesh Yadav, he has been a critic of the arrangements at Mahakumbh time and yet again he has taken to social media X. We just played out the hypocrisy that happened within the Congress party. On one hand, Randeep Surjewala saying that the arrangements have not been done. The Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar was at Mahakumbh yesterday, and when he was asked about it, he was all praises for the administration, and he said that arrangements have been done in a fantastic way. He said this is a huge event and the arrangements are well done. Now let's take a look at what Akhilesh Yadav has said. He has said that people are stuck in the jam. They have been trapped in their vehicles for hours. There are no arrangements to take care of those who have fallen unconscious. The mobile phone batteries of the devotees have run out, due to which they have lost contact with their loved ones. The lack of contact and information has increased the anxiety among the people. He has then gone on to question the Chief Minister, saying there is no responsible minister or person visible to control the situation. The Chief Minister has completely failed. The Deputy Chief Minister and many prominent ministers.
Yes, exactly. And we have Mr. Fakhrul Chand Hasan of the SP also on the phone line with us. Sir, I'd request you to stay with us for a minute because let's get our viewers a sense of what's happening. We have a ground report which also has been filed, which helps us understand the type of traffic snarls which we are seeing at the moment.
देखिए, जिस तरह से आदरणीय अखिलेश यादव जी ने कल कहा कि टोल पे गाड़ियां की लंबी कतारें लगी हुई हैं, फिर एक वीडियो वायरल है जिसमें एक पुलिस का अधिकारी वो लोगों से पुनर्विचार की बात कर रहे हैं कि आगे बहुत ट्रैफिक है, आप लोग को जाना है नहीं जाना है, यहाँ से आप यू टर्न ले सकते हैं, आपके पास अभी यहाँ पे ऑप्शन है, आगे जाके वो ऑप्शन भी नहीं रह जाएगा, बहुत जाम है। तो जो सरकार को व्यवस्था देनी चाहिए थी कुंभ में, उस व्यवस्था को देने में सरकार पूरी तरीके से फेल हो चुकी है। बड़े बड़े दावे किए जा रहे थे कि हमने इतनी व्यवस्था की है, इतने श्रद्धालुओं की आने की जाने की, लेकिन ट्रैफिक की पूरी व्यवस्था, वहाँ पे रख रखाव की व्यवस्था, पीने खाने पीने की जो सुविधाएं होनी चाहिए थी, पीने के पानी की होनी चाहिए थी, फोन चार्जिंग की सुविधाएं कहीं होनी चाहिए थी, वो सारी सुविधाएं भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार देने में असफल रही है। इसीलिए समाजवादी पार्टी कुंभ के शुरू से
Preparations are
पहले
not up to mark. It's only fair that we get the BJP's point of view as well. Anila Singh is on the phone line with us. Yes, Anila ji, over to you. What will you say about SP's allegation? Yesterday, we heard DK Shiv Kumar going gaga over the preparations. Today, Congress and SP are saying that preparations not up to mark. They are citing the long traffic snarls which we are seeing, and all this happening when the president is going to take the holy tip.
My Ram to all, and I'm not surprised at all the way Samajwadi Party and Congress, they had been attacking Sanatanis, because it is the congregation of Sanatanis, so they do not want them to be happy. And whenever, especially if I talk about the sad incident which happened and we lost some lives there, at that time also they were trying to politicize it. So they are not leaving any opportunity. When lakhs and lakhs of people, they are coming. So traffic jam is a very natural thing. But the thing is that how the administration is coping with it, it may be slow. But whether the traffic is slowly moving and people are able to go to their destination, that is more important, and which is happening. So they just want to target the Sanatanis there. It is not about the Yogi Sarkar or the Mela management. It is all about the Sanatanis. So one of the leaders, when he takes the holy dip and he says, okay, everything is fine, perfect, then they do not have to say anything about that. But other day they come and they start attacking again. So let them do their job, and we are doing our work. And Ishwar is there to see that who is standing strongly with the Sanatani.
All right, strong rebuttal coming in from the BJP. Thank you, Anila ji, and also Fakhrul Chand Hasan for joining us. We took you through the politics. We took you through the latest visuals coming in. Now let's take a look at a ground report which will give us a sense of the type of traffic snarls which we are seeing. We will be playing out that report very shortly. But obviously, viewers, we are telling you about, the latest which is happening far as Mahakumbh is concerned. Now, we took you through the politics, and now let's take a look at the ground report.
महाकुंभ में